Ryan,
Mommy,
stop it. Ryan,
now
stop
you gotta
it.
tuck his shirt back in.
I don't know. Aunt really knows.
No, you're staying home with Daddy and Ryan, honey. Okay.
No shoes.
Ryan, stand up. Go get your brown shoes on. Stop it. Stop it. Go get your brown shoes on. No, you're staying home with Daddy and Ryan, honey.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, you don't need your shoes on. Give Mommy a kiss. I love you. Give Mommy a kiss. I love you.
Mama.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Ready, Rob?